Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So today's reading is about no contact, no communication for Aquarius. So these cards are already shuffled, and let's see what other cards have for you. This is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So let's see what the cards have for you. Let's see the current energy of the situation between you and your person you are not in contact with, Aquarius. So, okay, I feel here you or your person has gone in solitude. Okay, they need some time off to figure out what do they really want in this connection or from this connection. Okay, so it's like you or your person is trying to dig deep within themselves and yourself so that you can figure out what you really want. You should ideally focus on your inner voice instead of focusing on the outside world. Okay, that is what the current energy here is. Okay, let's see what are the person thoughts and feel thoughts for you. What does this person think of you? Okay, this person basically thinks there is some emotional, pure emotional connect when they think about you. But at the same time, I think this person may also have this feeling of having an immature connection. Okay, an immature energy in the connection. It can be mainly given these are their thoughts about you. It's like somewhere they feel you need to be more mature in dealing with the situation at an emotional level. Okay, and they are ready to offer you that, that connection. They are ready to help you to overcome this energy of solitude if you are in. And that is how you both can work out in this situation. If you are looking for any kind of communication with this person, I think they are waiting for that communication to happen, because they are also thinking of you to connect with you at an emotional level. Okay, now let's see what does this person feel for you, Aquarius. Okay, I think this person definitely wants to help you at an emotional level, but I think they also feel that given there is no connection between you guys, they also have this feeling that you may have another options between, and you are trying to figure out between so many options. Okay, and you are not able to decide what you want and what kind of decision you are going to make. And that is also the reason this is a no contact situation, right? So they are kind of having this feeling in their head ki, okay, my Aquarius may be having so many other options, and he or she may be busy with that. So they are kind of creating this scenario in their mind that you are dealing with so many other options. Okay, let's see why have they gone silent, why they are not reaching out. Okay, so I think from their end, the connection is somewhere, kind of ended. Or if there is any chance of reconciliation, then they are going to, take it from a completely new beginning. Okay, because right now here I see that the sword is basically, an ending of something, specifically when it comes as on not reaching out, right? So that is what I feel. Okay, fine. Yeah, so I think given they are thinking that you are having so many options, so from their end they have kind of ended this connection. Okay, and that is why they are not reaching out, because in their mind they have created this scenario, and they ended the situation, they ended the connection, and they are not thinking of reaching out to you. If at any time the connection still comes up again, it can be a new beginning, but as of now from their end it's over, it's kind of completed. Let's see what is blocking this connection. Again, swords, see. So I think here somewhere they think like they did not get the justice, they did not get what they expected in the relation, and they were not given a fair treatment. If it was a legal situation, it was not fair. Okay, and the justice was basically not served, and that is why they have this thing of finishing it off, completing this cycle. Okay, if the things were not gone to that legal extent, so here it's like from their end they are still trying to create a balance and trying to figure out that they should be given the equal treatment, they should be given a fair treatment in the situation, and If not, they are not looking for any less or anything less. Okay, they know what do they deserve, and they are not going to settle for anything less. That is what the current energy is, and that is why the connection is blocked. Okay, let's see what is the next move, if any. Oh my goodness, again swords. Okay. See, 5 of swords, 11 of swords, and 5 sorry, ace of swords, 11, and 5 of swords. So swords here is basically, a sharp connection or something, which may hurt the other person. Okay, so I don't see a connection happening, but if it is happening, it can be something which may be hurting either one, at least to one of you in this connection. Okay, either to you, Aquarius, or to your person. Okay, so here I think if they reach out, they may say something which will hurt you even more, and that will give you that will give them satisfaction, because here they did not get the justice what they were expecting. So to clear off that, to get that revenge, they will definitely say something, or kind of rumor or something maybe spread, where they will feel good that you did not give me justice, I'll take it this way. Okay, something like that is I see coming here, which is not a good energy, I feel. Okay, so I don't see any communication is happening, any movement is happening, but if it is happening, you got to be very careful. You should avoid getting into an unnecessary argument, unnecessary, fights. So try to protect your energy from, because this person, I think, somewhere is having an energy of taking revenge, and it's like, I will show Aquarius what it is when you do this to me. Okay, so something like that is, I see this person may have this mindset which is not good. So to protect your energy is your responsibility, right? So you need to take care of your energy, try not to get into the arguments, try not to get into unnecessary fights, and protect your energy as much as you can. Okay, let's see what is the advice for you here, Scorpio. Oh, sorry, Aquarius. So the advice here for you is to focus on your growth. Focus on your growth here is basically your work life. Okay, I think because you are dealing with so much of situation at an emotional level, you are somewhere distracted, and you're not able to focus on your growth in your work may be slow, and you have put your efforts, and now you need to wait for the rewards, and the rewards will definitely come, but it may be a slow process. Okay, so but you do not have to give up, you have done your best, and you will definitely get the rewards. Okay, guys, that's the reading. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Thank you. Bye bye.